regarding the startups, Rohan have cleared all the visions. हमें 7 दिसाच्या भितर आमचे रजिस्ट्रेशनय जावपाक जाय, the right period set, and the distributions of the whatever the seed capital funds and everything within a month जावपाची गरज आसा. पण आता निश्चितच under the leadership of Mr. Rohan Khawte in IT industry, आम्ही first step म्हणजे now the industries have started coming. The Visteon has started its first office in the state of Goa. आज morning ज्या ऑफिसचं आम्ही इनॉग्रेशन केले म्हाका खूप बरें दिसलें. Mr. Sachin Lavande, when he is working in the US, he has come all the way and he has set up in the first office in the state of Goa. ही टेक्नॉलॉजी गोंयांत येवपाक लागल्या ही सुरवात आसा. म्हाका दिसता in the coming days so many players will come to the states. So that's why आमकां ecosystem create करची पडटली. So that the startups will play the major role in this ecosystem. Whatever the help is required from the government, we are there. Our IT department is there, is always helping and guiding for you people. Definitely in future, whatever the cooperation is required from the state government, from our IT department, our IT minister and our IT department will give you the support for that purpose. Definitely म्हाका दिसता आमकां उरलेल्यांक मोटिवेट करपाची गरज आसा. So many other people are also there. They want to come in the startup ecosystems. Instead of going for the startups, they are working somewhere. Yeah, they are migrating from this state to other states. So that आमकां एक ecosystem आमकां ताका motivate जर करीत, then definitely so many people will come in as a new startup.